Something like the wizard, it's blessed in the mirror. Something like the Holy Spirit, goes down, acting like the wizard. I put it down, give me money up to rest. Till your friends I'm back. Give me money up to rest. Till your friends I'm back. I know what you can you let me out? Tell me what I'm supposed to do. I don't know what to do.
Let me see. I'm gonna see what it is, what it do, what it works, if it really might be. Don't wanna know what to do, what the name is, the clue, what you let me never know he really might be. Can't see, cause I'm in another column. I just play baseball then, cause you know I'm ballin'. Money ain't the same, money ain't a problem. If it's a problem, then I'll resolve it. All I can tell you, tell her how it is. When I'm in the street, gotta handle my biz, gotta get the high end. Don't tip up if you do what it do. If you see me in nickel, this is what you do. Kanye West, call me MC. I'm the next big thing like G.I.G. And I'm full of dope, just like G.I.G. Never lose it, but you can't see me. Every time around, you hit it in the But you saying if I don't have a fence in my verse, then I won't be well. I'ma have a number about the reverse of the truth, and listen to the whole thing song go hard. Rewind, fast forward, but the track never falls down. Really gotta snap, cause I have no glove. But fighting on my style like I have no jaws. I be standing on the money store and everything gone. Let me tell you what it is, and I'm rich, and I'm all about biz. You might confuse so like auto-tune on my voice when I'm speaking, tell the drip on the bass, and then when I'm on beat, then you question my voice got problems. Everybody know that I be tall and laugh cool on me ball, then we ball and roll up in my home, yeah.
Sound fit.
And make every time around when you hit it in the corner. You can hear the boom boom when I'm driving down the street, yeah.
Good in this home. Yeah.
Yeah.